It's the time of year. Amazon driver comes down the street a couple times a day. Yeah. You don't own the street. It's no. People are ordering stuff for the holidays. He's allowed to come more than once a day. Do you want him to call you first? We order your stuff on Amazon. You need it. Really? You can't ban Amazon from the street. There's only 4 other houses on our street. It's delivering gifts. You'll be fine. I mean, seriously. I thought he came in and saw you the one time. He said hi. You liked him. Oh yeah, they have temporary drivers this time of year. They're not the same driver. I don't know how you file a complaint. I'm not. I order stuff from him every day. He's here 2 or 3 times a day. Okay. Well, if you want to make a sign and put in your window, you do that.